like a new road.
What is that? Your left leg.
Let me release it more.
More.
Scary?
No.
Their place of living in the Spirit. So,
God created us to walk with heaven flowing through us constantly. We are to be so heavenly minded that we are earthly incredible. This is sonship. When we rest in the love of God and believe the truth of what God says about us, we can live our everyday life just like Jesus would. Redemption, righteousness, and the newness of mind are the foundation and the key to the new covenant reality. The Holy Spirit wants to flow through every believer everywhere we go, at work, school, grocery store, malls, gas stations, everywhere. PaulyB's true joy is being able to reproduce God's reality in people into this new simplicity of this new creation reality of Jesus Christ, training others to walk it out 24/7 as a lifestyle of sonship. Yes, this is for every believer. To learn more about PaulyB and the Ministry of Sonship Lifestyle, www.sonshiplifestyle.com.